Namaste. Hello everyone. I am Barsha Basnet, your Nepali language tutor. We have learned vowels and consonants so far. If you have not watched my previous video, please do watch it so that you can understand today's lesson, that is half letter consonant. So let's start learning half letter consonant from ka. This is the first line of consonant we have learned in previous video. Now I will teach you how to write half letter of the first line consonant. Let's begin with half ka. We have two kinds of half letter ka, that is the first one is this one and the second one is this one, and the only differences between the half letter and full letter is the pronunciation part, that is full letter sounds a little bit longer ka and the half letter sounds a little bit shorter ka, and we use this kind of half letter in the beginning of the word and in the middle part of the word, whereas we use this kind of half letter in the end of the word. Similarly, ka also have two half letters. The rule is same. We use this half letter in the first of the word or in the middle part of the word, whereas in the end we use this kind of half letter. Another one is ga. It also has two kind of half letter. Ka also have two kind of half letters, but nga, the nasal nga, only have one kind of half letter. Similarly, this is the half letter of second line consonant cha, cha, ja, cha, ya. This one is the half letter of third line consonant, that is palatal sound consonant ta, tha, da, tha, ana. Similarly, this is the fourth line half letter consonant, that is dental sound consonant ta, tha, da, tha, na. This is another line of consonant that we pronounce by joining the lips pa, fa, ba, pa, ma. This is the sixth line of Nepali consonant, and the half letter shown here is of ya, ra. Please look at the half letter of ra. We have 5 different kinds of half letter of ra. This is very important part, and this is the part where many of the students get confused during writing. So please do remember we have 5 kind of different ra, and with the vocabulary we will discuss in our next video. Another part is la, wa, sa. This is the final line of consonant sa, sa, ha, cha, tra, gya. These are the half letter of 36 consonant. I hope this video was useful for you. Please don't forget to give like, share and subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get the notification of the next video. Thank you. Namaste.